my lovely Virgos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Virgos, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Also, you would want to check the other signs in your birth chart to get a better and clear picture. So Virgos, while shuffling on your energy, I am getting energy of someone who is kind of burdened, okay, taking too many responsibilities, too much of burden. I am feeling very heavy energy, like someone is really mentally and physically burdened. That's the word that is keeping on coming to my mind. Also, I am getting an energy of someone who is keeping up to himself or herself, okay, and that person is keeping himself or herself too busy, okay, is focused on work, on building something, okay, pursuing some creative projects, is having some creative ideas, pursuing some creative projects, ventures, okay, and investing all his or her time and focus into building something, into creating something. Maybe you guys might be involved in some creative ventures also. Yeah. Oh, Ace of Pentacles and yeah, Two of Wands have popped out, guys. Definitely you guys are working on something is what I strongly feel. Anyway, so yeah, let's jump into your reading, guys, and let's see what we have for you for the month of March. Page of Wands, yeah. Ace of Swords. Now this is interesting. This is what has kept on coming over and over again while shuffling for you guys. So definitely some kind of new beginnings. There you go. Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Virgos, what's going on? I also feel that you guys are dealing with a fellow earth sign. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. I can see a lot of earth over here, okay, and swords, fellow earth, fellow air sign also, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So it could be that either you have air in somewhere in your birth chart, or you're dealing with someone who is having air in their charts, okay. I can clearly see there are two set of people over here, guys. Yeah, Nine of Wands. Didn't I say that? See, this is you who is extremely exhausted, okay. You are over exerting yourself, guys. Nine of Cups. Now this is the same set of cards that has come for, I don't remember which sign I have done 2 days ago, but exactly same set of energy I have got for that that sign. I am just trying to recall it, which it was. I guess it was Scorpio, if I am not wrong. So please check out that reading also if you have Scorpio somewhere in your charts, because exactly same cards I have got for those for that sign as well. Anyway, guys, let's jump directly into your reading now. Starting with your current energy, Page of Wands, okay. Now like I said, you guys are definitely working on something. This is I have this strong feeling that some of you guys have got some new idea, new creative idea, maybe in terms of business, or maybe in your work, maybe at your workplace, maybe you're working towards starting a new project. That project might be in a very initial stage, and you're working towards it, okay, and that is something which you are really passionate about, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm getting. Yeah, this opportunity is something which is you are really enjoying working on this activity or this project, whatever it is. That kind of energy I'm getting that over here in your current this thing situation. The energy crossing is that of Three of Cups. Now since this is in crossing position, I feel that that you guys are too occupied with something, and you guys are not indulging into any socializing. You are just focused on work, okay. You are currently not meeting up your friends, okay. You guys are just, like I said, you're investing all your time and energy in working and building something is what I see over here. Yeah. The energy in your recent past is that of Ace of Swords. Like I said, definitely new beginnings for some of you guys. Maybe this project has already kickstarted and you are working into it, even though it's in its primitive stages. This is something new that you are working on, and you are getting a lot of creative ideas, lot of new ideas, new ideas. For some of you guys, that this might be new beginnings in terms of new career opportunity altogether. Okay, this could also be a relationship, new relationship, but I strongly feel that this is about someone's career. Okay, someone is starting or has started a new career, new business, new line of business, new project. Okay, something similar to this. Okay, the energy in your immediate future is that of Four of Pentacles. Now this is someone who is keeping up to himself or herself. Like I said, while shuffling, I was really feeling someone who is really closed off. Okay, who is closed out, who is not socializing much, who is just keeping up to oneself. Okay, not mingling with friends, not mingling with colleagues. Okay, but just just keeping up to himself or herself is what I see. This could also be someone who is saving some money for saving some money in terms of future. Like you guys are planning some investments, you guys are planning to build something in the future, maybe buy a house, buy a car. You have certain goals and you guys are kind of saving for that. Okay, you guys are collecting money for that. Okay, that kind of energy I'm sensing. The energy at the subconscious level is King of Pentacles. So many pentacles, guys. I'm sure you guys are dealing with a fellow earth sign, or you have strong earth in other placements of your birth chart. So this is again someone who is building his or her career. Okay, like I said, throughout this reading, or right from the beginning of this reading, I'm getting energy of someone who is very focused on his or her career. Okay, I really feel that you have set certain goals for yourself. Okay, it is something like you want to achieve something, you know what it is, and now you are working very diligently towards achieving or towards that goal. That kind of energy I'm getting. Very much strong, very much focused, very much balanced and grounded energy is what I'm getting over here. King of Pentacles is a very grounded energy, guys. The energy at the crowning level is Wheel of Fortune. Now this is very interesting. You guys are something new is going to happen in your life. Okay, guys, a new chapter of your life is about to begin. Like I said, it could be anything, like absolutely anything, but something totally new, a brand new phase of your life. Okay, the wheel is rolling for you guys. Like I said, some of you guys might be switching careers altogether. Okay, or you might be pursuing higher studies. Maybe some of you guys are getting married. Maybe some of you guys have come out of a relationship and getting into another relationship, or starting your single life. Okay, but something life changing event is happening for you guys, and yeah, it's a good change. Okay, it's definitely a good change. This change I am seeing particularly after some hard time. Okay, you are seeing this change after some turbulent times is what I see over here. Yep, the energy in the advice card is that of Seven of Cups. Now this could be like I said, I feel that some of you guys might be dating. You might be on a dating platform, on an online platform, maybe on a matrimonial site also. This could be you wanting to start your life afresh now. You might be some of you, like I said, there are two different set of people over here. This is a group of energy who is socializing now in terms of building a new relationship, starting a new relationship is what I see. Because in your external influences, this is Ten of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. Definitely a closure to one cycle of your life. Okay, and you are headed for a new cycle. Interesting. How did I miss this card? Ten of Swords and Ten of Wands. Now this is in your hopes and fears. Now this is you, this is you who is going to release the burden. Okay, you are ready to release that burden, like the baggage, that strong baggage that you have been carrying through this Ten of Swords energy, through this whatever ending this was. You are about to let go of that burden now. If not about to, you must let go of that burden now and start seeing people, guys. Your life is changing. Your one chapter of your life, it's over now. No matter how painful it was, it's in the past now. Know that it's in the past, and definitely life is going to change for better. Okay, it's like a giant wheel. Okay, after when you are down, definitely the wheel goes up also, so now the up phase of your life is about to start, guys, and just embrace it with a lot of positivity is all I'll say. Yeah, because the energy in your outcome card is that of Six of Swords. Now this is you moving forward through, you are treading through this water, through these emotions. Okay, you are like it's like you are ready to move ahead now. Okay, whatever that has happened, you are ready to leave that in the past, leave it in the back burner, and you are like kind of prepared to face the life, new chapter of life. Okay, new phase of your life is what I'm seeing. Good one, guys. I can imagine it must be a painful phase, but yeah, moving forward is the only way. Okay, we cannot undo the past, but yeah, what we have is the future. Knight of Pentacles, slow moving energy again. The changes that are happening in your life are quite slow. Okay, it can be quite testing. It can test your patience. Okay, even if this is at professional front. Okay, you'll feel that, oh my god, I'm putting so many efforts but I'm still not seeing the results. So don't worry about that, guys. Things are definitely happening in the background, even though you can't see it, but know that things are working for your highest good, even though you cannot see those immediately. Nine of Cups, this is someone's wish fulfillment. Okay, like I said, whoever this is, whatever you are working towards, know that you are about to get that, guys. You are like this close to achieving your goals. Okay, so don't give up, stay positive, keep on moving forward, keep on doing your work, and leave the rest to the universe. Just sit in the energy of allowing. Okay, I'm sure you're doing your deed, you're doing your acts, and just open yourself for receiving the gifts now. I am so I just wish I could remember that reading. It was either Gemini or Scorpio reading that I had seen, which had exactly similar cards, like, guys, exactly similar, like yeah, I guess Gemini it was, I don't remember, but yeah, if you have Gemini or Scorpio in your charts, please do check out those, guys. So let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful. Okay, yeah, wow, rest. Yeah, rest. This is what this Nine of Wands is also telling. You guys are too exhausted, you guys are really tired. Okay, don't exert yourself and fall sick. You have been working hard, take a nap and get some rest. This is what is really called out for louder. Okay, the universe, the guides, the gods, whoever you believe, they want you to take a rest and take it easy. Make a decision. Feeling stuck or indecisive, listen to your intuition and make a decision. Yeah, so guys, just rest. If you are feeling indecisive about something, maybe because you are like too much exerting yourself. Okay, that's the reason why you're not able to arrive at a certain decision, maybe. So take some rest, spend some quality time with yourself, indulge into some hobbies. I'm sure you'll arrive at the right decisions, is what I strongly feel. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Well, this is interesting. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Like I said, you are about to end something, okay, and you are about to enter a new phase of your life, guys. I surely understand, because the Swords energy is usually a very difficult energy to sail through, to deal with, and I can totally understand. But know that whatever it is coming to an end. Okay, guys. So stay there. You are good enough. This is full moon in Virgo, guys. I think we have had full moon recently only, and that too in Virgo. And this is absolutely your card. And what a beautiful card it is, guys. You are good enough. Know that you are good, you are beautiful, you are deserving, you are enough. Okay, so have that confidence, have that faith, and keep on moving forward, guys. I'm sure everything will fall in place. So yeah, Virgos, I leave it at that. This is a beautiful energy with lot of hopes, Okay, I'm sure the times were tough, but you are headed for better days ahead, is what I'm getting through this reading. So, if this is your story, if this resonates with you, please like the video, share the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also, guys, in the month of March, Tarot Talks YouTube channel is completing 1 year. So, on this occasion, I'm offering flat 20% off on all my personal reading, guys. So, you can take up, you can take benefit of this offer, as well as you can let your friends and family know. Okay, guys. So, yeah, I'll see you next month now directly. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.